There is overwhelming majority for ayes. I can hear from the sound. The chair can judge also from the sound. I am hearing the sound from both sides. So I see overwhelming majority. Therefore, I have announced the motion is adopted. So I stand by that. Now we shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 and 3 stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 2 and 3 are adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and title are adopted. Sri Rajnath Singh to move that the bill be passed.
I move the bill to be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed. Now I have promised that to take, see, let me make, yes, the point is, Mr. Sri Naresh Agarwal has raised a point, whether we should sit after the bill is passed. It is up to the, I have no, the House can decide, but remember, 10 hours time is allotted for railway. And I know, you see with what difficulty I was trying to manage the time. In railways, everybody wants to speak, at least more. And therefore, my request is, if you decide otherwise, where is the time tomorrow and day after? What is the government stand? I would like to know the government to say.
Day after tomorrow. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we
for
can
railway
take railway, but because there is the Lok Sabha has passed, so this will also come here. So we'll like that also to be taken up. So we can discuss tomorrow and day after.
You agree? Okay, the government trustee bench also agreed. Government also agreed that it can be taken up tomorrow and day after. So tomorrow and day after, members should be ready to sit long, sit late. Yeah. Now, therefore, I am taking admitted special mention. Admitted special mention. Sri Mansukhlal Mandavia. Lay on the table. Is there? No? You are there? Yeah, please lay it on the table, okay? Now, Professor Saibuddin Sos, not present. T. Ratinavel, not present. Sri Motilal Vora, yes, laying on the table. Sri Vivek Gupta, not present.
Allow someone to speak. Secretary General has to report the message. Secretary General को message report करना है. तो किसी से बुलवा दीजिए special mention. Instead of laying.
I know. Then Srimati Kusum Rai. Kusum Rai here. Jaitya, you come. Kusum Rai, come. Jaitya. Come sit. Those who want to read can read. He will sit. Come.